What if I told you that you can build your own Yelp-like directory in no time? It can probably take about 20 to 30 minutes of setup, but you can have something similar to Yelp, if not much better than what Yelp offers right now in their offering. What if I told you that it only costs you $59 to acquire the technology to be able to build such of a website? What if I told you that you can do it today, right now? Let me show you what I'm talking about. The technology that we're talking about is Direxact. Direxact is a bubble template that we have built specifically for bubble.io. You might be wondering what is a bubble template. So bubble template is similar to WordPress themes. What that means is that this is a website in a box that you can take and install in your own bubble hosting and launch your own directory website similar to Yelp or TripAdvisor in no time, about 20 to 30 minutes realistically. It took me even less than that to set up, but I have done it a few times now. So I will give you a walkthrough through some of the features that we have and hopefully give you a better idea of what you can expect when using Direxact. And this is the homepage. And in the homepage, you have some cities. They rotate based on a list of cities that are nearby the user. So hopefully it's the most useful to the user, but if not, they can explore more cities right here. And we have created animation for most buttons. So it looks kind of nice. Then you have categories down here. You have a list of categories. We have to add an icon for the Mediterranean food. Then you have best places to eat, which is a list of restaurants. As you can see, as you hover, again, it looks nice. It gives you the indication which listing you're hovering. Then you have best places to stay, lodging. So if you want to launch something along the lines of Airbnb, this is what you want to use, and you can just delete this area right here. And if you want to launch something like Uber Eats or DoorDash, and I will show you what I'm talking about here in a moment, then what you want to use is this part, and you can get rid of this part. If you want to do something blended that includes a little bit of everything, then voila, you can use both. Down here you have a list of cities. Is a list of cities that we have added. You can delete these cities and add your own cities. But I will start showing you some pages so you can have a better idea of what you're getting. So we're going to visit the location page, and in the location page, as you can see, you have restaurants and lodgings that are in the exact city and state that you're looking at. Going back to the main page, we're going to take a look at the restaurants page that lists all the restaurants are listed in your directory, along with a map and the locations for each one of them. And if you click on one of them, it takes you to the listing page, in this case restaurant, in which you have the hours of operations. You can report a listing, you can add items to the menu. In this case, I am the person who created the listing, so I'm the listing manager, so I get to see that, but regular users don't get to see that. Then you have frequent asked questions, in which you can ask questions and they get listed here, and the restaurant get the opportunity to reply to them. And reviews, you can add a review here. You can your users can sign up to your email list, which allow them to receive emails from you if they haven't created an account yet. And you have nearby restaurants. Something else I would like to show you, which I was talking about earlier, is the possibility of using this as an Uber Eats type website. And in doing that, as you add menu items to your website. You can allow your users to either set delivery orders or carry out orders, enter their delivery address and start an order, or they can go down here straight here and they can add items to the menu, to the cart. I just added another item, so now we have 5 items in the cart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they can go to checkout, and you have here the checkout page in which they can delete items from their cart, or they can just go ahead and confirm and pay and check out. Something else that we have available in Direxact is the dashboard for business owners. We're going to take a look at the dashboard just to show you what we have. Here we have the orders that were placed. These are dummy orders, so some of them don't have amount or they have missing data. It's because there's just stuff that I have added manually. Then you have reviews. They can see that all the reviews that have been listed for the restaurant. If they haven't connected to Stripe, they can connect here to Stripe and create their Stripe account so they can start accepting payments. You have all the orders here which they can accept or reject and or look or delete. If you get any messages through any of the contact form, the message will be seen here. They can edit the information for their restaurant, and lastly they can go back and look at their listing. Something else that we have is multiple restaurant dashboard. So if you have more than one, you will see the list of the restaurants that you own here, and you can go and visit any of them and see the dashboard there. As you can see, I click on Nothing But Cakes, and here it is, the page. Every user have their own profile. This is how their profile look like. There is no reviews published. There is an about page, and there is a setting page, i.e. my dashboard. And this is only available for yourself as an user. So if other users go and see your profile, they don't get to see your own dashboard. They can edit their own information. They can see their saved listings, their orders, their reservations, their billing details, their settings for what they want to receive, their privacy settings, and they can change their password down here. And lastly, we have notifications, which there's nothing there, and we have a way to add new listings here. You can add restaurants, lodgings, and venues at this moment. And really soon we will have a messaging system in which users can message each other as needed. And that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to Direxact, a way to build basically any kind of directory website on the internet. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to answer any questions you might have. If you want to acquire Direxact, as of right now, it costs $59 and you can acquire it through the mobile marketplace. Also, if you go down to the link below, you can get it there. It's much easier to get. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.